Question number 5. From each corner of square of side 4 cm a quadrant of circle of radius 1 cm is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut as shown in the given diagram. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a square. Side of square is equal to 4 cm. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is equal to 4 into 4. Area of square is equal to 16 cm square. Given radius is equal to 1 cm. Area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree divided by 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into radius is 1 into 1. 94s are 360. 2 2s are 4, 11 2s are 22. Area of 4 sectors of each corner is equal to 4 into 11 divided by 14. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, that is 22 upon 7 centimeter square. Area of circle pi r square, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1 into 1. Area of circle is equal to 22 upon 7 centimeter square. Total area is equal to area of 4 sectors of each corner plus area of circle. That is equal to 22 upon 7 plus 22 upon 7 is equal to 44 upon 7 centimeter square. Find the area of the Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Area of remaining portion of the square is equal to area of square minus area to be cut from the square. That is equal to 16 minus 44 upon 7. 16 sevens are 112 minus 44. That is equal to 68 upon 7 centimeter square. Answer. ABCD is a square and side of square is 4 centimeter. Area of square is side into side. 4 4s are 16 centimeters square and given radius is 1 centimeter. Area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 316 to pi r square. Angle theta is 90 upon 316 to 22 upon 7 into 1 into 1. Area of 4 sectors of each corner. 4 sectors of each corner is equal to 4 times of 11 divided by 7 2s are 14. That is 22 upon 7 centimeter square. And area of circle is pi r square. 22 upon 7 into 1 into 1, that is 22 upon 7 centimeter square. Total area to be cut from the square. Total area equal to area of 4 sectors of each corner and area of circle. That is 22 upon 7 plus 22 upon 7. That is equal to 44 divided by 7 centimeter square. That is equal to area of remaining portion of the square is area of circle minus area to be cut from the square. 16 minus 44 upon 7. 16 7s are 112 minus 44, that is equal to 68 upon 7 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. ABC. Given radius of circle is equal to 32 centimeter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal to 22 upon 7 into 32 into 32. Area of circle is equal to 32 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 4 12 1024 into 22. 4 2 jar 8, 2 2 jar 4, 0 2 1 jar 2, and 2 0 4 8. That is 8 2 5 2 2. Area of circle is equal to 22,528 divided by 7 centimeter square. ABC, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. In triangle OAD, angle AOD is equal to 120 divided by 2, that is equal to 60 degree. AD upon OA is equal to sine 60 degree. This implies AD upon OA is equal to sine 60 root 3 upon 2. OA is radius. AD divided by radius is 32, that is equal to root 3 divided by 2. This implies AD is equal to 32 root 3 upon 2, that is 16. AD is equal to 16 root 3. And total AB, so AB is equal to 2 times of AD. This implies AB is equal to 16 2 jar 32 root 3 centimeter. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square into 32 root 3 square. This implies root 3 upon 4 into 32 into 32 into 3. 8 4 are 32 and 8 3 are 24. 32 into 24, we get 4 2 are 8, 3 4 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 8, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. That is equal to 768 under root 3 centimeter square. Area of the design is equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. That is equal to 22,528 divided by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of circle is 32 centimeter, area of circle that is equal to pi r square. 22 upon 7 into 32 into 32, we get the area of circle is 22,528 upon 7 centimeter square. ABC is an equilateral triangle in which angle O is center and OA is radius, OB is radius, and we construct CD, and in triangle AOD is equal to 120 upon 2, 120 upon 2, that is equal to 60 degree. And in triangle OAD, AD upon OA is equal to sine theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sine theta. Perpendicular upon AD, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2, and AD upon radius is given 32, that is equal to root 3 upon 2. 32 multiplied by root 3 divided by 2, 16 2s are 32, and AD, and we want to find AB. AB is double of AD. AD is equal to 16 root 3. So AB is equal to 2 times of AD. Then AB equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. And area of equilateral triangle, that is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. And we get side AB, BC and AC, that is 32 root 3 centimeter. And root 3 upon 4 into side square, 32 multiplied by 32, and root 2 square is cancelled, but we get 3 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4, 8 4s are 32. 8 multiplied by 3, 8 3s are 24. 24 multiplied by 32, we get 768 root 3 centimeter square. It's area of an equilateral triangle. And area of the design, that is equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. Area of circle is 22,528 upon 7 minus 7,768 root 3 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 7. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Given side of square is equal to 14 centimeter. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is equal to 14 multiplied by 14 is equal to 196 centimeter square area. Area of square is equal to 196 centimeter square. And radius of circle that is equal to 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. Area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 into theta upon 360 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 90 upon 360, 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7. Cancel, 7 7 is cancel, that is equal to 22 sevens are 154 centimeter square. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of four quadrants, that is equal to 196 minus 154 is equal to 42 centimeter square. Answer. Given side of square is 14 centimeter and area of square is equal to side into side. Area of square is 14 into 14. 14 14s are 196 centimeter square. And radius of circle, that is half of 14 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. And area of quadrant is theta upon 360 into pi r square, but area of 4 quadrant 4 into theta, 4 times of theta upon 360 into pi r square. 4 into 90 upon 360 into pi r square. 94s are 360 and 4 is cancelled. 22 upon 7, 7 is cancelled. We get 22 sevens are 154 centimeter square. And area of the shaded region is equal to area of square. Area of shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, that is equal to 196 minus 154 equal to 42 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you so much.